Staking on Exodus wallet is a straightforward process, allowing you to earn rewards by staking certain supported cryptocurrencies like Tezos and Cosmos. Here's how to stake on Exodus wallet. Open Exodus wallet. Launch the Exodus wallet app on your desktop or mobile device. Select the supported cryptocurrency. Go to the wallet tab and find the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Currently, Exodus supports staking for assets like Tezos, Cosmos, Tron, and others. Choose the Earn option. Tap or click on the cryptocurrency you want to stake. You will see an Earn button next to it. Click or tap the button to begin staking. Select the staking amount. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake. Exodus allows you to stake a portion of your assets or all of them. Confirm and stake. After entering the amount, confirm the details, including the staking rewards and duration. Click Stake to complete the process. Exodus will start staking your assets and you will begin earning rewards over time. Monitor staking. You can track your staking rewards in the wallet tab under the staked asset.